Charlie. Oh. Charlie. Charlie.
Nananum Nandona. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure. It's a big honor for me to be able to say that the book, Legendary, the autobiography of Asamoah, duly launched.
Please do another big round of applause. Following the official launch, let the applause go, let the applause go. We are grateful to you, Your Excellency, for doing us the honors.